Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your SQL Server edition and that you have appropriate permissions. Use Windows authentication if possible. Once validated, install SSMS and the Microsoft Access Database Engine provider so SQL Server can read. Xlsx formats. Next, place the file on a path the server account can reach, and note the exact sheet name plus whether the first row is headers. Make sure to enable ad hoc distributed queries if you plan to use OpenRoast, because once those pieces are ready, you can run the first import command. Now you perform the central import. Create a staging table that mirrors the Excel columns and explicitly set types for dates and numeric values, because Excel can mix types. Once done, use OpenRoast with the ACE OLDB provider, or use SSys if you prefer a GUI. Insert into the staging table with select from the Excel sheet. After the insert, verify row counts and sample values to detect truncation or nulls. If values are wrong, cast or convert in the select clause before moving forward. Finish by validating and transforming data in staging. Remove duplicates, convert types, and run any business logic before inserting into your production table. Make sure to add constraints or indexes after the load to avoid slow inserts and run integrity checks. If something goes wrong, check common causes. ACE OLDB provider not installed, server account lacks file permissions, or Excel columns contain mixed data types. If provider errors persist, export to CSV and retry bulk insert as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.